Welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we're looking at a 2010 Tahoe 195 deck boat in very nice condition. Take a look at the exterior of the boat on its own trailer. Trailer's in fantastic condition. It's a 4.3 liter Merc Cruiser engine on an Alpha 1 stern drive. There is some lime and scale on that. It will be easily flaked off. On the stern of the boat, there is one position for the fishing chair, as well as a nice big swim platform and a sun pad to lay out. No dock rash anywhere on this boat. It's pretty clean. Does have a freshwater tank. And because this was a fishing package, there are two more stands for the fishing seats, as well as a plug for your trolling motor. Up top sides on the Tahoe. Boat's in very nice condition and can be seen here at SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin.